Yeah, it looks like we're a little bit busy today. Morris Modified, pulling off Jordan's aluminium bull bar here. Nice genuine Nissan steel bar going back on. Not the probably cleanest one, you can see it looks just like bend there, but once she's on, you'll see she's actually pretty good. So we got her for a steal, $400. I can record Welcome back to Morris Modified. So we are in the Soarer today. This thing has been off the road for about 2 weeks. I bit the bullet, had to talk to the missus about manual swapping it and raising the value of this car, and actually taking it to the potential I wanted to. Right now she's just missing second gear. It doesn't actually engage it at all. If I put it, I don't want to slip it, so I'm not going to put it in second gear, but if I put it in second gear, it'll just sound like it's slipping, absolutely slipping in second gear. It'll just keep, RPM will just keep raising. So she's not running at optimum at the moment. She's actually chewing fuel as well, but enough to get us to work. I really have a vision and I really want to bring this thing to life in my mind, you know. I really think it's I'm all about sci-fi, aviation, JDM, you know. I want to put everything in one. Yeah. She seems to be alright between third and fourth and first, but taking off it's just no second gear at all. So right now, obviously I am going to manual swap this, absolutely. It's going to happen. I've got a W58 line up. I don't know if that's going to be able to handle much power. I've been told it doesn't handle, but I just got to not be silly in this car anymore and really just enjoy it for what it is, and you know, get the most out of it by manual swapping it. You know, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Yeah. Really, we'll see what happens. Let's open it up.
That's XR6 skirt.
Fuck man, it's like full custom, eh?
That's XR6 skirt.
It looks like it's meant for it, eh?
That's XR6 skirt. That's it.
Oh yeah, see, because it still needs a bit of cutting, so it's,
Yeah,
but it's so tidy, man, the way you made it fit there. Look at that.
Oh, you can say it.
Oh, I've got that paint already, Jack. Oh, I've got that.
Hey, where were these flares? These flares from? Like, what were they originally from?
With probably like 4 different grills, so when you look at the sun.
Fuck, was it like the whole car same thing? Or you
Yeah, no, I'm gonna put lace on the top.
Yeah.
I was thinking I'm gonna put like a low rider lace, like put like a striping.
Oh, yeah. That's already,
Ready to go, man.
shit.
I bought the door trim already. I just gotta cut it. I just bought a U control last
Oh yeah, the Mazda suicide doors, of course. That seamless. Cool's that, man. You can see he's already scratched the paint here, ready for painting. Yeah, we'll open this door and have a look. Oh.
So I'm just gonna cut that. That's gonna be like. What, that for $10,
It's all
Jack?
marked out and shit.
Oh, for your door card now. Oh yeah, see.
Yeah, well, we can do that to yours.
Well, this is this. Soarer needs it, man, on the driver's side, and they're so heavy, those doors.
Yeah,
Bloody-
That's my
but
favourite part about it, eh? The fucking suicide.
so
Yeah,
cool,
that's why I
man.
don't want to sell it.
So what do you? Oh look, you've already painted the inside there.
Yeah, I paint all that.
Oh, very tidy, man. Holy. Oh, check out the window. How cool is that? Right, I love Mazda quirks, man.
Yeah, put something.
That's freaking cool.
The mirror. Get it done.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it in here. I'm gonna paint this white. I'm gonna put a big ice in there. Like eyeballs.
Fuck, proper
I'm gonna
game.
airbrush it.
Shit, man.
I'm gonna put a stereo in there. I'm gonna put like a. I was thinking about a
What, in the centre there?
board
Yeah.
In the centre.
on a wooden surfboard, and I'm gonna put a subwoofer. I'm
Yeah.
gonna put the 13 here and 27 over there, so 13, 27.
Oh, 13 inch, 27. Oh, what style, buddy?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Like my Harder, you know, you got 27.
Oh,
30.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, I see.
The light will glow.
That's so
Oh, you're
sick.
talking like the tailgate and
Yeah.
stuff, so so it illuminates and it glows.
Yeah.
I see like neons.
Yeah, I was gonna do it. I'm not sure yet. I was gonna sell it, eh? Because I want to get Subaru Forester, man. Imagine what I can do with soft Forester.
Oh yeah, and all this here is wood, handmade.
Forester, yeah. Now,
Do something similar to the Soarer because it definitely needs it.
Because I'm waiting for the boys to buy me a Forester because I'm turning 50 next year.